This is very synthesized information, which is a synthesis of 15-20 years of my training experience, plus the experience of having seen so many people apply processes to QA. So, as I've already mentioned to you, you have to make sure that you do multiple rounds of a chapter. I started teaching for CAT immediately after passing on IIM, and I was in my maybe 4th year of teaching people, which means I might have taught maybe 100 batches by then, and must have taught 100 times the same topic. There would become a question which I had not thought of earlier, and I would see a new solutions to a question I had been teaching for 3 years. And this process continued even today after 20-25 years of teaching people. There's always some new questions from which I learn something which I had not thought of earlier. And I keep telling my students at Mindworks that this is something I'm teaching you for the first time because I've realized it for the first time. So, agar ye ho raha hai even with people like me who have been at the 99.9 plus percentile right through, तो इमेजिन अगर कोई स्टूडेंट ये प्रोसेस अडॉप्ट करता है कि एक राउंड में करके और बाकी जो क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व है उसका सॉल्यूशन देख ले, तो ही इज़ गोइंग टू गो इनटू द cat and he's going to be like a fish out of water because he's not going to be able to breathe at all in that exam. So that's the reason why I say that multiple rounds is critical.